this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Samsung Galaxy phone into the recovery screen so you can factory reset or something like that. So we just want to hold down this Bixby button and the volume down button, and just hold it until the power options appear, and I might have to swipe to log in first. So let's do this now. And then here is the power off. So we have to power it off. We don't want to force restart it. So go to power off right here and tap the screen. Now the most important part is you need to connect a USB cable to your PC. So for some reason, when it's connected and it's slow charging from the PC, this will enable us to start in the recovery mode. So when the phone is turned off, plug this cable in that's connected to your computer, and you can see your phone is charging. Just give it like 5-10 seconds. And then you want to go to this button right here, the power button, and the volume up button at the same time. Hold both these buttons down. And when you see the Samsung logo now, you can let go. You can see Samsung, you can let go now, and it should launch into the recovery screen. Now on some phones, you might have to continue to hold down the volume up button when you see Samsung, and then you can let go of the power button. So now you can see the recovery options on here. And this is going to be your typical screen. And this is what it looks like now. Use the volume keys to go down and press the power button to select. So we can go all the way down to where it says factory reset and recover, wherever it was, right here. Press the power button and we should be good to go if we're trying to do that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.